The camera world is buzzing again, and this time all eyes are on Canon. After the success of the R6 and the refinements of the R6 Mark II, rumors are now pointing toward the arrival of the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Expected to pack a brand new high-resolution sensor, cinema-grade 6K and maybe even 8K video, lightning-fast autofocus powered by AI, and a design built for professionals, this could be Canon's most ambitious hybrid camera yet. With Sony and Nikon pushing hard in the mirrorless race, the big question is, can Canon raise the bar once again? Today, we're diving into the leaks, rumors, specs, price, and possible release date of the R6 Mark III, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The camera world is once again buzzing with excitement, and this time all eyes are on Canon as rumors, leaks, and early reports suggest that the long-awaited Canon EOS R6 Mark III is finally nearing its official debut. Ever since the release of the original R6 in 2020, Canon has built a strong reputation in the mirrorless full-frame space, delivering a camera that balanced high-end specs with accessibility for both enthusiasts and professionals. The follow-up, the R6 Mark II, brought further refinements, including improved autofocus, faster performance, and enhanced video capabilities. But now, in 2025, the stage is being set for Canon's most ambitious upgrade yet in this video. The R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a hybrid powerhouse, combining professional-grade features with cutting-edge technology that could make it the ultimate camera for creators, filmmakers, and photographers alike. This is not just another refresh. It may be Canon's attempt to raise the bar once again in a fiercely competitive mirrorless market dominated by Sony, Nikon, and Panasonic. Canon's EOS R lineup has always been about versatility, and the R6 Mark III looks set to continue that tradition. Early reports suggest that Canon has been working on a brand new full-frame sensor, possibly a backside illuminated CMOS sensor with stacked architecture, designed to deliver lightning-fast readout speeds and superior image quality. If the leaks are accurate, the R6 Mark III may feature around 30 to 32 megapixels, a sweet spot that balances high resolution with excellent low-light performance and manageable file sizes. This resolution increase would be a welcome jump from the 24-megapixel sensor in the Mark II, allowing photographers more flexibility for cropping while maintaining clean, detailed images. But it's not just still photography that will benefit. This new sensor could transform the R6 Mark III into a true video beast, minimizing rolling shutter and enabling higher frame rates without compromising image quality. Video shooters, in particular, are closely watching what Canon brings to the table with this camera. The R6 Mark II already impressed with oversampled 4K video from 6K capture, but the Mark III is expected to push boundaries further. Industry insiders hint that the new camera may offer 6K or even 8K internal recording, possibly in Canon's renowned raw light format. If true, this would put the R6 Mark III in direct competition with higher-tier models, offering cinema-grade video capabilities in a compact and relatively affordable body. Slow-motion performance could also see major improvements, with rumors suggesting 4K at 120 frames per second, giving creators more flexibility in post-production. Combined with Canon's reliable dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, which continues to be one of the best autofocus technologies in the industry, the R6 Mark III could become a go-to choice for hybrid shooters who demand excellence in both